Everyone, my name is Ravi Kishore Agrawal. I am a research scholar in the Faculty of Commerce and Management, Sri Rawatpura Sarkari University, Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Today we are going to discuss about Indian healthcare market. So, the Indian healthcare market or the Indian healthcare industry is approximately 141 dollar size billion size currently, and it is roughly around 8.6 crores market, which is a very huge market, and it is expected to reach 181 to 182 billion USD market, which is roughly around 12.1 crore by 2022. So the expected growth that can be seen from 2017 to 2022 is 6.8%. Indian healthcare market, despite the setback of GST, demonetization, and price control measure, is still expected to grow at a rate of 6.8% on the back of increasing expenditure by public and private healthcare players, supportive government policies, and cost advantage. On the other side, if we look at the segmentation of Indian healthcare industry, then the Indian healthcare industry can be divided into healthcare delivery, the hospital side, which is a big chunk. You can see in the pie, which is around 70%. The diagnostic market is only around 8%. Pharmaceutical is still crawling at a share of 10%. Medical devices is 7%, and health insurance is very minimal in the country like India, which is a developing country, and here the health insurance is only 4%. So the major healthcare delivery constitutes the shares of 70% within the healthcare market. India has a strong presence in the pharmaceutical market, leading in branded generic pharmaceutical market as well as exports, and all are geared up to a key, to be a India is geared up to be a key player in the biosimilars globally. Growing incidence of lifestyle diseases, rising income, aging population are among other factors making India one of the fastest growing healthcare market. So these are some of the growth factors or the affluents which are present in the Indian healthcare market, and it is driving aspiration and demand for better healthcare services within the country. With the growing education level, the middle class population is expected to grow at a CAGR of 15 to 17%. And as per the one of the report, it is estimated that is by 2025-26, India's middle class population is likely to double to 547 billion individuals, which is about 41% of the total population, which is quite a huge chunk. With the rising income, there has been a rise in the healthcare awareness, affordability, lifestyle disease, and increasing access to insurance, contributing to the growth of the industry. When we look at the ranking wise per capita compared to country average of 5 to 8 7 dollar, India ranks low on per capita healthcare spend at roughly around $63 only. The gap has widened between US health spending and that of other countries. Healthcare expenditure in India is 4% of GDP, much lower than country average of 11%. And due to low public spending on healthcare and low penetration of insurance, out of pocket spend on healthcare is higher in India. The key growth drivers in the healthcare market is expected to be the rise in the medical tourism. So you can see the forest tourist arrival for medical treatment in India from 2015 to 2017 is shown here, and there's a huge CAGR or the growth of 45.5% from 2015 to 2017. The low cost of treatment, availability of skilled and trained medical professionals, increased penetration of corporate hospitals have actually positioned India as a preferred destination for medical tourism in Asia. When we look at the country-wise cost of treatment comparison by USD, you can see the hip replacement cost around 43, and in comparison to India, which stands at 9 only. So average price difference between India, Thailand, and Singapore is roughly around 33% hip replacement. So this brings a humongous amount of medical tourists within into the country from all other places. Similarly, knee replacement, heart bypass, heart valve replacement, you can see the prices differences between the countries. That is the price given the price for the particular treatment within the country, and in comparison to US and the other Asian countries, you can see there is a huge difference between the prices. So the cost of treatment is amongst the lowest in India, but with the assurance of world class doctors and infrastructure for those who can afford. So we can see the Indian healthcare market is a huge market, and there's a lot of growth present in the Indian market. So definitely Indian healthcare market is a booming industry, and everybody should focus on investing in India, made in India. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.